Hey guys, it's Amalia here from Know the Self Mystery School. And I wanted to share a powerful process that I have been using for many years. I call it my rebirth and renewal process. At the end of each year, I really like to take time out to reflect on what happened during the year, sum it up, learn from my lessons, um, mourn my losses, lick my wounds, whatever difficulties happen, celebrate my victories, and really create space for the following year so that I can learn what I need to learn from the year and put things in place to set the stage for a powerful year ahead. I'm going to share my first process with you right now. So go ahead and grab a blank piece of paper, or you can go ahead and download the worksheet in the link below this video. This is a really easy exercise and it can feel a little bit overwhelming at first, but I want you to do this quickly and see if you can do it in just 10-15 minutes. And if you really want to do a great job, you can take your time afterwards and kind of finish it up and get really thorough. So go ahead and write down the last 12 months going backwards in time. So right now we're in January, so I want you to put December, November, October, September, just going backwards in time. Okay, so once you have the 12 months down on the piece of paper, I want you to start recalling what are the major highlights that happened in your life last month. So just write the big bulleted highlights, no details, just what happened to you. Think emotionally, think mentally, what happened in your career, what happened financially. Maybe there was a sickness, maybe you went on a beautiful trip, you had a birthday, maybe you lost someone who passed away, or there was a crisis in your life. Go ahead and write that in the month as just a bulleted thing and just keep moving backwards in time. You'll notice as you get about 2, 3, 4 months back, your memory is going to fade. So go ahead and grab your phones or whatever digital device, or if you keep a handwritten journal, and start looking back to freshen your memory. I like to look at my photo album to see what pics I took. That really helps me remember the different things that happened throughout the year. Or to grab the social feed. So it could be, your Facebook or your Instagram feed, and just go backwards in time and see what were some of the highlights of the year. What were you feeling? What was happening? What were some of the current events? And just fill it in as quickly as you can. You could go ahead and pause this video if you need a little bit more time, but I'm going to give you the next piece of the process. So you can, like, what do I do with all this information? So I want you to take on a separate piece of paper, or if you have the worksheet, just use that. And I want you to write, what were your biggest challenges these last 12 months? And just list them out. See how quickly you can go. What were the biggest challenges? We're not going to go into any deep emotional processing right now. We just want the facts, okay? And on the next piece of paper, I want you to write all your accomplishments. What were the things that you finally accomplished? What are the things you can celebrate? Okay, and write all those down. So you have a list of your biggest challenges of the year and a list of your accomplishments. And then just take a moment at the end to look at all of this and see if you notice any big patterns going on in these last 12 months for you. Okay, this is just the first step of the process. There are 2 more videos I'd love to share with you so that you can really get the most out of this rebirth and renewal process. In the next video, you're going to learn how to glean the lessons from all the issues and challenges, how to put them in the past, and how to create space for a powerful new year. So go ahead, if you want to get the next video, put your email in the opt-in form below, and I will make sure you get the next piece of the process. Okay, see you next time.